Hey guys, it's the Lawn Barber here, back with you with another video today. Today's video is going to be over the deck cleaning of a push mower, and I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe and stay tuned. The things you'll need for this task, I guess you want to call it, is a putty knife of some sort, and of course, the main ingredient to the pie, your lawnmower. Alright, the first thing you want to do is to tip your mower over, and then after you tip your mower over, take your putty knife and start to scrape away at the grasses that's at your deck, and just let it fall off just like that into the grass until you're finished. And I'll get back with you guys when I'm done. Alrighty.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, I'm back like 60 hours later, and I've finished with what I was doing. See? That's way better than when I started. Looks way better. If you keep your decks clean, your mowers will last a lot longer. If you keep your blades sharpened, your blades will last a lot longer. But, I mean, it's choice if you want to buy new blades every year. But to save money as a new entrepreneur, such as myself or my buddy TriStar Lawn Care on Instagram, y'all go follow him and go follow me at the Lawn Barber on Instagram too. Man, I'm telling you, we're just trying to grow and be like the big dogs, calling our own shots, I guess. But that's the video for today, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with another one, and y'all can leave comments below on suggestions of new videos, and I'll see you guys later.